LNTH stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Lantheus Holdings. It's 17% up. So where the heck are we heading next? Before I get into it, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, this is where we are. My bad. Boom. Such a bullish market, and you can see my drawings are dark. So let's turn them back to light. Sick. Yeah, still very bullish, although I'm not gonna immediately buy, but I'm only really gonna be bullish though if the price, you know, this is a demand zone. You can see it was from here I was looking to take things up, and I'm looking to do for the exact same thing. This is like, I'm already having the first confirmation, which is quite sick. And I'm only really gonna be intrigued for this if the price pulls down a bit and then gives me this double break. If not, it's all good, you know, like I'm not gonna stress about nothing here. You know, there's all these other ticker symbols, so the cause for the effect is awesome. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, just click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of souls there.